look at the tissue reaction around this GTO. Amazing. Once again, it's amazing. But I place the implant, and it looks as a very easy case. Because in a case like this, it's perfect. When you have an extract, you have a knife edge, you place the implant, everything is done. So it means that we have changed an extremely difficult case in a very easy case. Interesting, no? But I measured. I wanted to see what was the value for this implant, because you have seen we lost so much. Value was 82. Lower jawbone. Again, it means that now this is working, my friends. This is working on sinus lift. Easy case, major case, every time we got those values. And this is extremely good for us because we know now we can load this implant, you see, and this is a temporary crown, and we will do the definitive restoration with an extremely happy patient.